Hello and welcome to Nigel's Workbench. On the workbench today we have a Philips monitor. It's CM8833 and the customer has told me that the on-off switch is faulty and there's a sound fault. So let's see what we can do about that. Now, the first thing we've got to do is get into it, and now we've got two screws here and some more around the other side. So I'll take these ones out first. Those two, I'll just turn it around. Now I might need a longer screwdriver to get in here. Here we go. That seems to work. Got it. Now I should be able to pull the back off. Disconnect the speakers. There we go. I don't know if you can see there. There's a connection cable that goes on the board for the speakers. So there's the switch. The whole board slides out. Now let's see it locks in. Stick it in the power board out. Should be fairly easy. So what I can do is unplug a couple of connections. Hopefully. Oh, right, that's got it. I can disconnect these two cables. I can get the power board separated. I'll just put a marker on that one. Now I've got it the right way up. And we've got another connection over here. That one will only fit in one way. And then we've got another cable goes there. Right, okay. So if I undo this one here, I will be able to get the cable disconnected. Screw out. Cut this cable tie. I've also put another one on. Right, that's got free. I'm going to unscrew the front of this. There's two black screws holding the switch to this plastic piece. Unscrew these so I should get access to the switch a bit easier. There we go. Right. What have we got here? Bit more testing. So if I touch the two brown ones, I'm not getting anything. If I press the switch in, I'm not getting anything. I'm not getting anything on the blue ones either. Now, this is a little strange. Fuse is okay. Fuse is okay. Okay, a bit more further testing. If I touch that's going. So moving a little bit. If I do that, that's not going. But if I push the switch down and hold it, they're connecting. And the other side, on the joint. So that is as well. So it's definitely a faulty switch, because unless you hold it in. Now I could spray this with contact cleaner, but I don't know whether that would make any difference. It doesn't look like you can get into it. It looks to be sealed. Seems to have melted plastic over there, and I think if I got it apart I wouldn't get it back together again. So we're going to need to look for a replacement switch. So about a week later, the new switch has turned up. So what I need to do now is replace it. Just going to check it a bit. See if it reads correctly. Right, let's put the meter on it. This is with it off. I'll just put the probes in there. And the other two. If I do the same on this one. I don't get anything. So these two switches are slightly different. Just checking. This one has number 1 there, number 1 there. But let's see, so that's number 2. As I say, this is wired different, so whereas this one's got the 2 brown ones that side, they'll actually want to be on the top, and the 2 blue ones want to be on the bottom. Okay, so I need to desolder the wires off here and get on with that. So I'll just desolder these wires. and finally this one. That's the old switch taken out. Now we bring the new one in. Right, what I'll do is put a bit of solder on the contacts. Another go. Right, that's a bit better. The other blue one. Put this. The end of that. The end of this one. That's one. Some more solder on that. Right, I think I've got it. Meter back in. Right, that looks like it should work. I'll just melt the heat shrink, or shrink the heat shrink. That done. Right, so now we just need to position this in, put the screws in that came with it, and hopefully they'll hold it. Like that. Not certain which way around the switch goes, but I should imagine it's something like that. Right, so that's the way the switch goes in, like that. Fairly tight. So now we need to get the monitor and fix it back into the monitor. Okay, got the monitor here. We need to connect all this back in again. That bit went at the front, like so. These wires, that one went there. Okay, a bit of a struggle, got it all back together. Had to put the switch in the other way up to what the original one was to make it fit in. Reconnected the earth wire and through the coil, and the mains wire's coming out of there. So I'm now going to give it a try. Okay, plugged in, let's see if it goes boom. No, it didn't go boom, and we have light on the screen. I think that's just dust you can hear. So we need to connect the speakers, which are here, which are just here. There's 3 pins. It will only fit in one way round. So, shoot. And just push that in. Easier said than done. That's it. It's just a matter of lining everything up and getting it back together. This cable routes round under there, like so. Just need to put the screws back in, which is the reverse of taking it apart. Right, got the speakers plugged in, got the back put back on, so I'm just going to switch on. Speakers are making a noise. That's not right. Okay, let's see if we get a picture. We do.